Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be using the candy. We're going to do a quick little service cycle. It's just because in case anyone who hasn't got a candy has forgotten how to do it, I'll just do it now for you quickly. So yeah, enjoy. And we also have, if I turn the camera around, if it turns around, we have the candy there, the back of there, so there's a race video coming out soon. And the dishwasher here, but the only thing is, yeah, and we can't do a lot about that. So what you do is you turn it to cotton spray and hold down that button. There we go, and then you press start, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it should do it. Yeah, there we go. This is just a little short video just to say hi and that I am still here. And yeah. Cap in there, by So yeah, there will be the first ever race video in this house will be coming out soon. So yeah, that should be coming up today, hopefully. Fingers crossed. If not, it'll be tomorrow. That pump made everything just bang then. What does that make that noise for? Here we go. Okay. That's that then. I do have some bad news. My dad's hot point that I did a video on, which was, well, the last video. It has, I don't know if you've seen the comment in the last video, but it has already broken because apparently my dad was using it the other day and it just blew up wires again, like all the wires just blew up again. I did like, when I was at my dad's, I did another wash in it and I heard a funny noise, so I went in the kitchen, got my camera out, sat down on the floor and watched it, and it did the most strangest thing, and you'll see that in the next video I'll put it, because I'm going to be racing these two in the next video. Oh, the hell's that spike? That made me jump. But yeah, I will put that clip at the start of the video because it just, well, it's hard to explain, but you'll see what I did. So unfortunately there'll be no more Hot Point Extra. And well, I guess we'll be getting a new washing machine for my dad on the weekend. So yeah, stay tuned for whatever that will be. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on please. And I'll see you all in the next video, which will be obviously the candy racing. Bye for now.